Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today we're going to be talking about literally a simple strategy that made me my first $10,000 online. And this is not revenue. This is commissions. Okay. So I'm talking about money in my pocket in that way. $10,000 in commissions with affiliate marketing. Obviously, I cannot guarantee you these results, but I want to share with you the simple strategy. Feel free to go over the entire strategy and see whether it is for you or not. This is not going to be for everybody, but if you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're interested in learning, I welcome you to the channel and let's get into it. It's a Friday. We talk about strategy on a Friday on this channel. And I want to share with you a strategy that I have very close to my heart because first and foremost, I've been following it for a few years. I want to give you guys all the resources that are needed. And trust me, you don't really need a lot of money to get started with this strategy. Up to you on understanding the logic behind what we're doing. Okay. I can give you 10,000 strategies, guys. We all love this big, $10,000 in commission kind of target or goal. But at the end of the day, it's you who will apply those strategies that is going to make the difference, and whether you're going to stick with it for the long term or not. Some of you guys will, some of you won't. If you do, then come back to this video at a later stage and put in the comments so that at least other people get this information and see that this strategy is working for them. A little bit about my backstory, guys. I got started with affiliate marketing a long time ago in 2010. Actually, I was just curious. I did the wrong things for the longest amount of time possible, but there were two skills that I realized that are needed with affiliate marketing, which does take you time to learn. It's not going to happen overnight. Don't fall for the hype. Don't fall for people telling you're going to be rich overnight, because that doesn't work. Okay. The dream is to get to that level of passive income where you've put in the work and you're generating an income out of that, or you understand a system and you're applying the information to get that system working for you properly. But it's going to require a learning curve. It's going to require the work that you put in. Okay. I'm just going to say this up front because I don't want you to get fooled by any of these other videos out there. I got fooled for a long time and I went through my journey and I never made a single commission for 6 years. After 6 years, I made random commissions. So in order for me to put the pieces of the puzzle together, it took me some time. But at the end of the day, there are two main skills that you need to learn. One is advertising. How do you get people to view your offer? And those keep changing year on year, okay? Sometimes you have TikTok, sometimes you have Instagram, sometimes you have Facebook. You have so many methods that are out there. YouTube is another one. And they will always be there. So just pick one and stick with it first and foremost. That's a free method of advertising. Then if you want to go for the paid method, which was more attractive to me because I had a full-time job, then this made most sense to go into paid advertising, and that's something I just fell in love with. But obviously with paid advertising, the fact that it has paid advertising there, you're going to spend some money, okay? So know that you're going to spend some money with paid advertising if you choose that route. So either you can go free or you can go paid advertising. Learn, understand, this is a skill set. You'll have to keep improving it, keep growing it, and there's constant work that needs to be put in. It's never just plug and play kind of system. You are learning advertising consistently, and if you understand a few things, it becomes easier to spot them over time. But you definitely need to understand. And the second thing is the skill set of copywriting, which helps basically with your conversions. If you understand copy, it can help you with your sales process. It can help you with your back end process. It can help you with the videos that you're posting on the front end as well. So copy on each and every aspect is very crucial to get a conversion. What that conversion point is, that depends on what stage the lead is at. So this is how we look at affiliate marketing. This is the two skill sets that are needed. And at the end of the day, I want to stress this out. Affiliate marketing, guys, is something that bridges the gap. It solves a problem. Okay, that is what I want you guys to understand. The more you feel like you're solving a problem, the more you become affiliated with an offer, service, product that solves a problem, then you are going to be doing well in affiliate marketing because you're actually catering to a need that's in the marketplace and it's not made up. So that's why I want to make sure that it's clear. Today, what we're going to go through is my strategy. I'm going to give you also an affiliate network that I work with a lot, and I'm going to show you guys the proof that I've made $10,000 with this affiliate network so that you guys can see. And I'm going to show you my best or the easiest way to get started today with with affiliate marketing and having a funnel set up and everything else. So we're going to get the tools which are free to join as well in that. Okay, so let's first and foremost go over my strategy. So what I like to call a funded proposal strategy, it is on my screen at the moment. You can see right here has 2 steps. So as I said, advertising is important, right? And I have a full-time job. So what I did was I used step 1 and I said, you know what, I'm not able to spend the amount of money that I would like to spend with advertising. So let's get a cheaper source of advertising. Let's pay for that and let's use it to the best of my ability. I'm spending about $30 every single month on a specific traffic source. And I earn from just that step 1 about $300 to $500 every single month from that traffic source. That generates me around $300 to $500 every single month, just to give you guys an understanding. And then I take that $300 to $500 every single month. I reinvest it back into my business in order for me to build my email list. And an email list is a step 2. So as you can see, it's purely based on paid advertising that I'm building my email list at the moment. I have a sales process that does about 1 to 5% conversion. It can do better, but it does about 1 to 5% conversion on the sales process itself. And then the emails are the second stage, or second step, where it goes over. People basically come into my ecosystem this way. Now, because I'm using paid advertising, guys, because I'm using specific kind of paid advertising also, I get colder leads. It takes longer for me to build an audience and get in contact with them and get those conversions. So just because you pay for traffic doesn't mean you're going to get the fastest results. The fastest results comes on the main sales process, so the funnel, and the emails is a nurturing and time consuming process, which happens whether it's free or paid. Although free is faster just because people are getting in contact with you by your social media and so on and so forth. Okay, so just letting you guys understand. So this is the process. Take the money that I earned from step 1, buy advertising to build my email list. Simple. I don't complicate it. This is all that I've been following for the last 2.5 to 3 years already. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys on WirexApp. So we're going to go to WirexApp, is a network that I personally use. Yesterday, as you can see, I got a sales notification came in as well. And this is just from step 1. Okay, just from step 1 itself. I'm not considering step 2. I'm just talking about step 1. If I go to actually, I'm not going to go to transactions. I'm going to go to wallet right here. So you guys can see very openly, I use my money also quite often, but you can see right here, I have got sales 25th of August. You can see that another sale came in. I have about $50 right now in my account. $70 is spending, but we're going to go to summary, and I want to show you guys the summary of my account so that you guys can see very clearly. I've withdrawn only $976, but the amount that I've earned with this strategy and what I'm sharing with you right now, just step 1, I've earned over $10,000 in commissions. Okay, these are earnings in commissions. Now, I want you guys to see the 3 numbers that you can see on screen because I want to explain them to you. The earnings are commissions that I've earned, not sales. It is not the sales transactions, it's a commission. So that is $10,235 that I basically could pocket. Now, I want you to see the purchases that are there as well, and the value of those purchases, which is $9,136. That is how much I've spent on WirexApp to buy advertising. Remember the process that I'm talking about before, right? I get money, so I've earned on WirexApp. Instead of taking it away from the platform, what I did is I put it back into step 2 and bought traffic, bought advertising to my landing page using WirexApp itself. So that $9,136 is proof that I've earned those commissions and I've spent that money. I could, over this time, have made those 740 sales and pocketed all my commissions, and I would be $10,000 richer, for example. But I've used it to invest into my business and build my email list on the back end. And this is kind of proof. This is $9,136 in commissions purchases that I never had that money from my pocket. It's coming out from my earnings, from my commissions. I'm able to pay for advertising consistently to build my email list. So I don't think about paid advertising anymore because I have a process in place that converts it. It's generating me $10,000, but as a clear process. Now, this is not some fast strategy that, people go blinded by and get rich and something like that. No, it's a consistent $300, $500 a month strategy that I'm earning. I cannot guarantee you those results, but if you're interested in checking out this entire process that I have a link in the description of this video, and it will be in the pinned comments of a course that I have. It costs you $1 to get it, and is an additional $9 at the moment of when I'm shooting this video. It's $9. It could increase in price of AI prompts that are available, which explains first and foremost the strategy, and the AI prompts helps you with the conversions of the copy. Okay, so those are the two elements as I mentioned before. We're giving you that in this course right there. So check it out. It's linked in the description, but just to show you. Now, if I was you and I had to go about actually building a free method, I would use Warrior Plus and System.io. System.io, guys, is a free tool that you can use. I'll leave a link to System.io also in the description of this video, but it's a free tool that you can use to get started and build a funnel of your own. Okay, I'm gonna go to pricing right now so that you guys can see, but it's free to join. Okay, and this is not like some other offers that are there or tools that are there that say, it's a trial. No, it's absolutely free to join. There is no limitations of it free. As long as it's under 2,000 contacts, your account is free. So you can keep it free forever if you have a highly targeted list of 2,000 contacts. Okay, you clean your list, you keep it up to that 2,000 contacts, you can have it free forever, which is quite cool. Anyway, my purpose of just telling you this is that you can get that started absolutely for free. I'm on the startup plan because I'm using other features and so on and so forth, but that will help you build what I call is a bridge page funnel, which you guys know of, but it's a bridge page funnel. So you go here, sales funnels, just to show you what a bridge page funnel is. Simply this, okay? It has two pages, a landing page and a thank you page, or a bridge page. On that landing page, you collect an email address, and on that bridge page, you basically have, I'm going to show you guys this, a video, and then a link to whatever offer that you have. In this scenario, it's a map offer. It's one of my backend programs that I have, and a bonus that I share. But this is a bridge funnel. You're bridging that gap between the product and you. Okay, so that's how somebody actually buys through your link. This is all that you need with this strategy. So if you're starting for absolutely for free, first and foremost, get a product that solves a problem. You can go to offers right here. You can select the product based on the category and so on and so forth. I'm not going to show you how to use Warrior Plus, but anyway, you can choose an offer from here. I would suggest look at some of the long-time offers. In the course that I have below, I share with you guys the offers that I have, which you can get also, and it has Warrior Plus offers. Take that offer and create a simple 2-page funnel where you can either have a lead magnet, or if you just want to have a simple training and talk about the product and so on and so forth, then you can just do that. And on the thank you page, on this page itself, right, the video, you just make a simple video that bridges those two elements. So what is the person getting? Why do they need this product? Remember, as I said before in the beginning, we're solving problems, we're giving solutions. So when somebody is watching this video, they want to know what solution that they're solving. So let's say you have a specific product related to email marketing. That's what you're going to say here. Have you been having trouble with email marketing? I have personally recommend products that you personally use and own, but this is what you would do. And then have a simple button below that takes them to that account. And that's it. So with this method, whether you do free advertising strategies or whether you do paid advertising strategies, you can still apply this bridge page funnel because it's going to make the most difference. You can use a free tool like System.io, or you can use a paid tool. But I share more about this entire step 1 and step 2 within the course below. So it's a very, very simple strategy. I jumped around for a long time, but I got to 10,000 by following a simple strategy, by going away from all that hype, all that fuss that you see people making money left, right, and center, all these commissions that come out. I'm not saying it's not possible, guys. It's definitely possible, and it's definitely attracting. But when you see that, sometimes people lose all common sense of actually what is needed on the back end. And whether, regardless of that money or not, you have to know the skill sets of advertising and then converting the advertising by using copy. So that's needed, and it's actually called marketing. Guys, take a look. Thank you for watching this video any which ways. If you stuck till the very end, I hope it's been educational for you. Go out there and try this strategy. Whether you get started with this course or not, you have Warrior Plus, you can get started for free. You can get System.io absolutely for free. You can take any other network out there, start this way. If you want to go the paid advertising route, know that you will need a budget. Learn from your advertising strategy. For example, if you use Facebook, whatever, learn from that and grow. But this bridge page funnel is applicable even in that scenario. This is a simple strategy. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned for Monday's video and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.